What's up, y'all? We back with another one.
Yeah, got glasses.
Gary, you funny. We at this interesting store. We just trying to see what we can see as far as fabric and mesh material. But cut y'all on once we see when we get to where we going. And I actually just ordered some black material for a center console that I'm doing that I can't really say too much about. And if I knew I could have bought this here, I probably would have. But they definitely have a few rolls of fabric, and this place is only 10 minutes from me, so I'm gonna check some of this stuff out. This is some wood style. It's pretty interesting. This is grandma, but it looks pretty cool. Got a blue and white. It's pretty thick stuff. Should be able to work with it though. But we just about to keep looking and seeing what we can get. Ooh, this is a pretty good feeling. Ooh, I like it. And then we get to the sheets. Alright, we back. Show y'all what I came up with. This girl just worried about Jenga. Look. Daddy, where's Jenga? Jenga. That cart. Look at these my work boots right here, man. These I don't give a damn 3000s right here. Anyway, got off topic a little bit. We just had to do some shopping for some supplies and stuff. Toilet cleaner and bleach, all purpose cleaner, napkins. I buy in bulk. I buy everything in bulk. I try to, because I hate going to the store for something small. So we got this mesh here, and then this second mesh with less coverage, right? So this one's pretty clean, pretty smooth, man, but the coverage, dang, you got 2 dents right there. Had to bang that out. It's pretty easy to do. So this one really will be used for when I'm not putting speakers on the side, because I don't want, so this is like a 50-50. This is like a 50-50, so 50% coverage, 50% not. I don't like for audio stuff to be covered, like restriction. I don't like restriction with audio. So I won't put these over speakers. But these here, this one here, all right, get off it now. Crazy. Is you crazy? You take glasses off now.
Where's my Jenga?
It's in the kitchen, I think. But this one, yeah, I cover some speakers with this one, no problem. It's like a 90% coverage. I mean 10% coverage, maybe 15. I doubt it's 20. But all right, she just got Jenga for the first time. She wanna play that, so I'm gonna play Jenga with the kid for a second, and then I'm gonna get in this garage and make some magic happen. I got two packages I gotta ship. I would have shipped them today, but Martin Luther King Day and post office is closed, so that's that. So I'll drop them off tomorrow morning. So I'm about to get in this garage to make more greatness happen. Finish this cutlass up. I'm gonna give y'all audio sound today, which probably ain't gonna drop to probably, yeah. The audio test probably ain't gonna drop for another few days, but this all will be a part of the console video. I feel like I'm about to do three of the customs, so I'm gonna try to do them all at once. I know I'm low on filler with Chevy here tomorrow, and I'm waiting on the special bit to come because I'm trying some new stuff. I'm gonna keep the same design, but the technique and stuff, I'm trying to make my sides like tight as possible, and I don't want any gaps. I don't want the material to look wrinkled, and if I can't close it up, Well, I mean, I can't really explain too much, but y'all see when y'all seen the first one, and then now y'all about to see 3 more of the same type at once. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. Now I gotta finish this G-body console. I gotta put a bottom in it for the center console when you open it up. Other than that, I'm ready to put that car back together. I had to get some RCAs. The RCA. Oh, I'm gonna say this for that video. What's up, y'all? I know I'm looking crazy. SCS back with another one. All right, man. Let me give y'all a little run through what's going on in here. I ain't never made this much dust in my life, bro. So I'm definitely cleaning this up as soon as I get done. All right, show y'all what's going on with all this. So we got J Malcolm right here. So one thing I'm trying to do, this gonna be late too. They probably been hide the stuff by the time I drop this video. But this is my design for the 2020. But I'm gonna come up with another one. This how they all look under the fanciness, cause you gotta get them shapes, them contours and stuff. But I'm trying to find a way to put a double din in 6.5 in without the 6.5. Y'all have my phone, that thing ring all day. So double din in 6.5 in without having to stick the speakers out, because I don't like the way that look. You definitely get in the charger, cup holders, and double din. And we trying to stick the speakers in there. All right, this swag pack shack right here. He got a, yeah.
Where's the green color?
I don't know. Tell your mom to call it.
What do you say?
Tell your mom to call it. All right, this swag pack shack right here. Plain double din, nothing right here. Cup holders, charger. All right, so check this out. This is what I'm about to do. So y'all see this here. It's cool, but I don't like it. The speakers sit up. So I'm about to take my router in one of the bits, and I'm gonna make this flush mount all the way down. So let me mark this. Some people like sticking it out, but I'm trying to make it flush and clean. And how y'all seen this wood in the back, you would not see it, because that's gonna get covered with fabric. So get my bit, flush mount that, and then I'm finna make some MDF rings. So this speaker's gonna mount like this. I cut this with a router too though, so it's tight. It's tight, it's tight. Yeah, so the speaker is gonna mount like this. So I'm doing the MDF ring to go behind this, because when I cut a lot of this out, it's gonna need some support. And then it's gonna get cut in the back. It's gonna get cut in the back because all of it's not gonna be able to go all the way around. So it's gonna get cut like in this area. Y'all just stay tuned for that. I'll be done with this one tonight. I think that's about it, man. So flush mount, and then I'm ready to wrap. But I'm gonna wire the speakers for them. It'll take me no time. I got the crimp connections over here. Yeah, hey, my electrical section be lit, man. This all electrical, all of it. I showed y'all this on live, like literally all electrical. Heat shrinks, crimps, ring terminals, relays. Be lit over here, man. Fuses, heat shrinks, literally all that stuff. 4 gauge ring terminals, 0 gauge, power and ground, everything color coded. There's so much stuff over there. But anyway, I'm about to go ahead and knock this one out so I can meet them in a couple days. Other than that, man, I think that's about it. So I'm gonna make the rest of this video once I get to J Malcolm's and I figure out how I'm about to do these 6.5s with the double den. So I got a double den to play with. Then I got my own. My advertised console that's dusty and ugly with a brand new radio, brand new everything, and it's just getting dust all on it. I just made it for advertisement purposes, man. But on these consoles, man, a lot of people don't know it take time. So what I think I'm gonna do is make these consoles with no curves. That way it'd be quick to put it together, nobody work. But it just don't appeal to the eye to me. That's just me. So I'm gonna give people an option. You want it fast or you want it slow? Because I'm gonna change my time on this one. I was doing it in 10 days, but really not 10 consecutive days, but 10 days. I think I'm gonna go up because I literally don't want to do this all day. So if I try to make this in one day, right, it's not really worth it. If I complete this whole console in one day and I only profit, like, that's nothing. So, and then I said to take 5 hours in the videos. I lied. It take long. It take long. Like with the wrapping and all that, gluing, let glue dry a little bit, cutting holes, flush trimming, sanding, side pieces contouring, sanding edges, round overs, all kind of different bits. Like, I lied, it don't take 5 hours. It take longer than 5 hours, and you still got less stuff dry. So, I mean, I probably could get one done today, one day if I started early enough, but still, it just ain't worth it for the time, the money correlation. It just ain't worth it. But if I stretch it out a little bit at a time, I mean, it'd be cool. I don't have no problem with that. But some people are very impatient, and that's why I really been thinking, like, man, I'm just about to take this down. Cause I get a lot of hits on it, but not many people come through. And then, some people are impatient, so. Yeah, let me go ahead, flush trim this, and then cut y'all back on once I make my MDF rings. I'm finna get a size for them now. And then, yeah. Y'all be stay tuned for that. Show y'all the time, man. Glad I took a nap today. Hey, yo. Another one, DJ Khaled. This one came out alright, man. I definitely dig it. Look like a Hush Puppy shoe. But 2 6.5s, countersunk, cover, grill, 2 cup holders, and a charger. It's a wire for the charger. But it's definitely a contender in the fight of all of them, even though it's one of the beginning ones. But yeah, can take some pictures for Instagram so I can post it and go to sleep and wake up and see that it went crazy. And these speakers, man, these speakers got some huge magnets, bro. They are 150 RMS each, so they should get pretty loud. They have suspensions on them, like DJ speakers. You probably can't even see it. Nah. The camera making a big effect on them. But two levels for the suspension, so they should get pretty loud. You know, the normal speaker just got one, and they be like 30, 50, maybe even 70 RMS. But yeah, from what I've seen, let me look it up again. Well, I lied. 8 ohms, 220 RMS, 440 watts, 6.5. That's the brand. Right there. So they should get pretty loud. I would like to hear it personally. But yeah, clean, done. It's not some pictures for Instagram and go to sleep because I gotta get up in about 4 hours.